Guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to solve this math equation. X to the power of y minus y to the power of x is equal to 17. For this, we are going to use the main formula a to the power of m, or this to the power of n is equal to a to the power m times n. Okay, I'm going to rewrite this equation in another form. For that, we have x to the power of y is still equals to x to the power y on 2, all this squared, since according to this formula, y times 2 times 2 is equal to y. That means x to the power of y is equal to x to the power of y or 2, all this squared, and y to the power of x is equal to y to the power of x on 2, all this squared. Now I'm going to take this and replace it up here inside the equation. That is, our new equation is x to the power y on 2 squared minus y to the power x on 2 squared is equal to 17. Now we're going to take this, consider x to the power y on 2 as a and y to the power x on 2 as b. That is, we have here a squared, that is by replacing x to the power y on 2 by a squared minus b squared will equal to 17. This is by replacing y to the power x on 2 by b. Okay, at this level, using the binomial formula or the difference of 2 squared, we have here a minus b multiplied by a plus b is equal to 17. Okay, we have a minus b multiplied by a plus b is equal to 17 times 1. Okay, here we know that a plus b is greater than a minus b. This means that our a plus b here is equal to 17 and a minus b is equal to 1. Okay, at this level, we're going to look for the value of a and b. So for that, I'm going to sum this, that is a plus a. I have 2a here. B minus b, that's 0, will be equal to 17 plus 1, that's 18. This means that a will be equal to 18 divided by 2, that's 9. Okay, we'll do same and we look for the value of b. We'll copy the system. A plus b is equal to 1, 7. A minus b is equal to 1. Now I'm going to do this minus this, that's a minus a, that's 0, that's b minus negative b, that's b plus b. So I have 2b. 17 minus 1 will be equal to 16. It means that b is equal to 16 divided by 2, that's 8. Okay, so at this level we have a is equal to 9 and b is equal to 8. Remember that a was still equal to x to the power y on 2 and b was still equals to y to the power x on 2. So replacing a and b by this expression in this system, we have here x to the power y on 2 will be equal to 9 and y to the power x on 2 will be equal to 8. Okay, now since we are looking for the value of x to the power y and not x to the power y on 2, we are going to raise this side squared. That is, if I say x to the power y on 2, all this squared will be equal to 9 squared and y to the power x on 2 squared will be equal to 8 squared. Okay, at this level, x to the power y on 2 squared using the first formula is equal to x to the power of y. This is equal to 9 squared, and y to the power x will be equal to 8 squared. Okay, we are going to write this another way. We have x to the power of y will be equal to 9 is still equal to 3 squared, all this squared, and y to the power of x will be equal to 8 is still equal to 4 times 2, all this squared. Okay, at this level we have x to the power of y is equal to 3 to the power 4, since 2 multiplied by 2 is equal to 4, and y to the power of x is equal to 4 squared times 2 squared. Since if you have a times b, all this to the power of n, it is equal to a to the power of n times b to the power of n. Okay, we'll continue. So x to the power of y will be equal to 3 to the power 4, and y to the power of x will be equal to 4 squared times 2 squared is equal to 4. This means that x to the power of y is equal to 3 to the power 4, and y to the power of x is equal to 4 squared times 4 to the power 1. We do 2 plus 1, that's 4 to the power 3. Okay, at this level you see that this x is down, is here, y is up, y is here, and y here, this is it, and x is it. So we can conclude here that x is equal to 3 and y is equal to 4. Okay, we are not done. Now we have to verify our answers to see if our value of x and y are okay. So for that, we'll consider the initial equation, that's x to the power of y minus y to the power of x is equal to 17. Okay, and remember here that we said that x to the power of y is equal to 3 to the power 4, and y to the power of x is equal to 4 to the power 3. We're going to replace this value here, and we'll check if this difference will be equal to 17. Thus, if we take this here, we'll have 3 to the power of 4 minus 4 to the power of 3. Okay, we know that 3 to the power of 4 is equal to 3 squared, that's 9, times 3, that's 27, times 3, that's 81, minus 4 squared, that's 16, times 4, 64, and when you do the difference, you have 17. Okay, at this level, we can see that our value, this value, are okay. So finally, for this equation, that is x to the power of y minus y to the power of x equals 17, the solution are x is equal to 3 and y is equal to 4. Okay, I hope you love the video, and if it is the case, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel to receive more videos like this one. Like the video and share. Thanks for watching.